Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the device down and unplugging any cables. This prevents short circuits. Once off, remove back panel screws and keep them organized so reassembly is simple. Use a spudger to gently pry clips. You should feel slight give. While prying, make sure to note ribbon cables and connector positions so you can reverse the process. If the display button is behind a bezel, lift the bezel evenly to avoid cracking it. Now you have access to the button assembly itself. You now locate the small PCB or flex cable that holds the display button. Inspect how it's mounted. Once identified, disconnect its cable by lifting the latch or desoldering the pads. Choose the method that matches your skill. Desoldering needs steady heat. After the connector is free, remove mounting screws and peel any adhesive slowly to avoid tearing. If clips hold the assembly, depress them while pulling. Keep screws and parts grouped so you can reinstall or replace the button later. You finish by reversing disassembly. Reseat connectors, align the button assembly, and fasten screws evenly so the bezel sits flush. Once snug, reconnect power and perform a functional test of the display button to confirm removal or replacement worked. If the button doesn't respond, make sure connectors are fully seated and inspect solder joints for cold joints. Reflow if necessary. Finally, close the case and tighten screws to a gentle torque. If things go wrong, check cable orientation first. It's the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.